Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video I'll show you how to perform object detection using YOLOv8 on Jetson Nano. So the Jetpack SDK version which I'm using is 4.6.1. Now let's check the default Python versions which come with this 4.6.1. Okay, so this is the Python. Now let's check the Python 3 version. So these are the two Python versions which you get when you install Jetpack SDK 4.6.1. Okay. So now to run YOLOv8 you need to install the Ultralytics package. Okay. So you can just write pip install Ultralytics and you will have the environment which will run your YOLOv8. So I have created a separate environment for YOLOv8. So let's activate that environment. So this is the environment. Okay. So in this environment I want to install Ultralytics package. So let's execute the command. So you'll see this error. Okay. So what this error means is that the Ultralytic package is either not available on this Python 3.6.9 or the operating system which we are using is that Ultralytic package is not supported with that operating system. Okay. So now the next step is we need a different version of Python to run the Ultralytics. Okay. So we will install Python 3.8 now, and then on that Python 3.8 we will run our Ultralytics package. We will install the Ultralytics package and then we'll run YOLOv8 on it. So let's do that. Deactivate this environment. Now run these three commands one by one first. Okay. So once you execute all these three commands, now the next step is to download the source code of Python 3.8 from the official website. You can use this command to download that source code of Python 3.8 directly on Jetson Nano. Okay, once you downloaded the source code of Python 3.8, you need to unzip that file and then you need to enter into that Python 3.8 folder. Okay, so once you enter the Python 3.8 folder, now we'll start with the build process. So let's configure the build process first. You can configure it like this, and after configuring, now you need to build the Python. Use this step to build the Python, and once your compilation is complete, you can simply install Python using this command. Okay, so now after executing all these steps, your Python is installed. You can check the Python version using this command, and yes, you can see that we have Python 3.8 now. Okay, so now the next step is to create a separate environment. Guys, I always recommend to work under a separate environment, so that's why I'm creating a separate environment. You can use these two lines to create and activate the environment. So once your environment is activated, now you can run. Now let me activate the environment first. Okay, so my environment is my vn. Okay, so first you need to write source, then my v. Okay, now let's check the Python version after activating the environment. So my Python version is this. Okay, now inside this Python we will install the Ultralytic package. So I have already installed it. I'm just showing you the command. You will not get that error, the error which we got earlier. Okay, now let's install Ultralytics package. So you can see requirement already satisfied because I have executed the steps already. Okay, now if you want to check the Ultralytics version, just write pip show Ultralytics, and okay, so you can see here the Ultralytics package is installed and this is the version which we are using. Okay, so now the next step is to run the YOLOv8 algorithm. So guys, for that I'm using a Jupyter notebook, and if you also want to run on Jupyter notebook, just write pip install Jupyter notebook and you will get your Jupyter notebook installed. After that, just write Jupyter notebook to open the notebook. Okay. So here you will get your Jupyter notebook. Now my code is available in Python examples. I'm entering in that, then YOLOv8 example. This is the folder in which I have my YOLOv8 work. So we are going there, and this is the Jupyter notebook where I have the code. Okay, let's open it. So this is how you import Ultralytics library, okay, module. So after that, I am using the pre-trained model, this YOLOv8 n.pt. Okay, so no need to download it externally. When you will execute this command, this model will be downloaded in your current working directory. Okay, so this is the pre-trained model I'm using. I'm just testing YOLOv8 using the pre-trained model. Okay, so like this, and after that, just execute this command. What we are doing is we are calling the model. On this image I want to work, save equals to true. If you are writing this, then only you will get the image with the detections stored in the runs folder. Okay, so always remember, if you want to store the results, then you need to write this. Okay, so let's execute it. When you will execute it, you will get the output, and the image on which I want to work, that image is available. Okay, I haven't executed this first. Let me execute this and this. Okay, so my test data is available in test folder. Let's open that folder and see. So Python examples. Here is Python examples, and then inside it we have YOLOv8, and see, you can see here on this side that predict4 is saving the results. This is a run folder. Inside that, the text folder, predict4, and here is the output for that particular image we are testing on. So this is how you can use YOLOv8 on image. And guys, if you want to use it on video, then you need to give the path of video like this. So once it get executed, you will see the results in detect folder only. And let's see here. Here is a so video is stored over here. So this is how you can run the code on video. Okay, and guys, after that I want to tell you one more thing, that okay, here you can see, if you check the torch version, you will see that we have this torch version 2.0.1 and CUDA version is none. Now see, the code which I have shown you, that code is working on the CPU of Jetson Nano. Okay, so we were not using GPU for the predictions. Okay, so if you want to use GPU for your predictions, then your PyTorch should be compiled with CUDA. Okay, so in our case, we just run that command pip install Ultralytics, and we get the torch and torch vision version. Everything is there, but that is not compatible with that is not working with our GPU. So for that, you need to install the PyTorch version manually. Okay, so what you need to do is just manually install PyTorch by using the PyTorch wheel, right? And then only you can use it. And if you want to learn how to install PyTorch manually, okay, then you can check my video. Link is given in description section. Using that video, you can download the PyTorch and Torch Vision which is compiled with CUDA, okay, and then you can run the your predictions on GPU, okay. So that's it guys, this is how you can use YOLO V8 on Jetson Nano, and I hope this video is helpful. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.